Are you guys traveling less and sweating more? Well, not to worry, guys, because I brought this cute little rechargeable fan for you. And these things are really tiny, and they come with a tiny price tag that is just 169 rupees. And these things are available in a variety of colors and designs, and they do absolutely love very cute. Let me open the boxes and let me show you how they look. So here is what we get inside the boxes. The first thing that grabs your attention are these cute cat style rechargeable fans, and these things come from a brand known as DianDi, and they've got this little bunny ear thing going and try to design it cute like a small cat or something. And yes, you can take a look. These fans are pretty small and they're very handy, and the diameter of this thing is somewhere around 2 or 2.5 inches. And I've reviewed larger fans in the rechargeable variety as well on my channel, and those reviews are available for you in the I button or in the video description. So if you want a fair comparison, maybe you should check those videos out. So these are the cute little fans. We'll come back to them later. Let's check a look at some other things that are provided in the package. One thing is this really small user manual which has all the instructions. You can pause the video and take a look at this thing. Then it comes with these lanyards or strings to hang the fan. I guess they go over here. You can tie them and hang the fan as needed, or just a neat little strap to carry them. Then it comes with this micro USB type B cable for charging, so you can charge this fan using your power bank or using your mobile charger. It goes something like this and allows you to charge the inbuilt rechargeable battery. So you get this USB cable. Well guys, I just had to show you this. So this is the elder brother. This is a larger model that I reviewed, which comes with a power bank feature, and the elder brother is charging the younger brother right here. And you can see it comes with a neat little red LED charging indicator when the charging process is going on. Yes, again, the review and buying link for this is available in the video description. Let's take a look at box. Did we miss something over here? So a lot of designs available, really cute. You can check them out. And here there are a bunch of features. I'm not going to read each and every one of them. You can pause the video. It comes with USB charging. There's a non-removable battery. I know it's a really small fan. Natural wind. Oh, what is 2 gears of wind? I think what they mean is 2 speeds of wind. And here you can see the specifications and the different instructions. So you can pause the video and read them. Here is a small diagram which shows how to use them. So there's an on-off switch. Again, it says gears. I don't know. There's a USB charging cable. I think we're done with these boxes. Enough of this time pass. Let's move them aside and let's go to the star of the show, which are these cute little handy 2-inch portable fans. As you can see, they are very small. In fact, they're smaller than my hand, as you can see right here. And they come with these 2 switches. Let's turn it on. Wow, so this is the first speed. There's a neat little LED. Let's turn this one as well. And the LED, I think, is not a replacement for a torch, but it's more like an accent light which just glows up this bezel, and it looks really cool. So this is the first speed, and here you can see that this is the USB charging cable. And oh, wind is actually really decent, guys, even on the speed number 1. So this is just one fan. Okay, and I think the wind is very good. Let's try the second speed or second gear as these Chinglish instructions say. So here, this is the high gear, and they do make a bit of noise, I think, because the motor in this thing is not a BLDC. This is a regular DC motor, so it is not as silent as those regular BLDC fans that I reviewed in the past, but I think overall it's really bearable. And the LED turns off in the high mode. I think all the energy is being diverted to the motor. So this is the high speed. Let's try one fan here, and yeah, it's really good. But I think if you are holding it like this and pointing it towards your face, even the low mode is really decent. These fans do stand up on your desk like this, and hence it can be sort of used as a mini portable table fan as well. And what I liked about this thing is how small and handy they are. You know, you can just straight away put this in your purse. You can put this in your pocket. You can keep one in the car. You can keep one in the bike. You can have one in your kitchen. Just, you know, buy a bunch of them. I brought 2 of them. Again, buying links for these things and their competitors in the video description for you. Buy a bunch of them. Just spread them around. Give them to your friend. I think that overall this kind of fan is a really decent item for gift or for personal usage. Guys, I keep reviewing variety of fans, and I have also reviewed a slightly larger model than this, and the variety of videos with respect to those reviews will be popping up on your screen like this. You can directly click on any of these cards and jump to those particular fans, maybe check them out. It might be possible that you want a slightly larger fans, but yes, when it comes to portability, I think that there's absolutely no beating these small cute fans. So that's it for this neat little review video, guys. Take care and have a nice day.